Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. My name is Paul. I'm taking you through today's workout. Today we have a nice 12-minute AMRAP workout. AMRAP meaning as many rounds as possible. We got 4 exercises. We're going to repeat them for 12 minutes without any breaks. We got a goblet squat, a push-up, a sit-up, and 20 jumping jacks. Just follow along with me, have some fun, grab some water, and I'll see you guys in about 5 seconds. All right, and let's get started. We're starting off with 5 goblet squats. Once you go all the way down, come back 3/4 of the way up, down, and that's 1 repetition. So down, 3/4 of the way up, back down, and that's 2. Ready? Down, hold it, 3/4, boom, and that's 3. Down, hold it, down, and that's 4, and all the way down, 3/4 of the way up, all the way down, and back up. All right, those are the goblet squats. Now we're going down to push-ups. 5 push-ups. Nice plank, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, 5 sit-ups. So you got back up, if like me, get back down, and go 5 sit-ups. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You know what? Let's do 8. 1, 2, and 3. Perfect. I think it'll work a lot better for our AMRAP. Ready? 20 jumping jacks. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Halfway. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 20. Back to the top. So that was round number 1. Took about 1 minute and 40 seconds or so. So now you know how many rounds we're going to do roughly. Ready? And let's go. And that's 1. Down, 3/4, down, 2, down, 3/4, down, 3. Keep on going. 4, 5. All right, drop down on the ground. One of those perfect push-ups. Nice plank. And go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Flip on over and go for 8 sit-ups. Ready? And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And get up, get back up. 20 jumping jacks. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep it going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 20. Yes, that's right. We're working everything today. Legs, chest, heart. Keep on moving. Ready? 1, 3/4. Boom. Go down for 2. 3/4. Down. 3/4. Down. 3. 2 more. Come on. 1. The last one. 3/4. All the way down and all the way up. Weight down. Going for our perfect push-ups. Let's go. 1, 2. No rush. 3, 4, 5. Flip on over. Nice sit up. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, all the way down. And now you can pop back up for our 20 jumping jacks. Ready? And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5. Come on, 5. And that's 10. I'm just kidding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And that's 20. All right. 5 minutes in. Goblet squats. You guys ready to go? Down, 3/4, down, and up. Looking good. Down, 3/4, down. And that's 2. Down, 3/4, down, 3, down, 3/4, boom. 4, last one. Coming up, go down, and coming up. Here we go. On the ground for our perfect push-ups. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Flip on over, 8 sit-ups. Full body workout today. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 more. We got this. 1, 2, 1 more, and 3, and lay down, and get up, and let's go for jumping jacks. 20. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Come on. Let's go. 3, 4. Come on. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Whew. 6.5 minutes in. Dumbbell time. Goblet squat time. Let's go. 1. Working on 2. Working on 3. 2 more. 1. And 2. All right, perfect push-ups. Here we go. 5 minutes of working out left. Give me good ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Flip on over. Wonderful sit-ups and perfect push-ups. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 more. 1 and 2. Lay back down and get back. All right, here we go. Jumping jacks. You guys ready? Let's go. 1. That's 10. 1. 8, 9, and 20. All right, 4 minutes left. Couple more rounds, at least. And let's go. That's 1. 2. 3. 2 more. Last one. Boom. On the ground for some push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Flip on over. Let's go. 8 sit-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking good. 5, 6. 2 more. 1 and 2. And down and up for jumping jacks. 20. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Halfway there. Keep on moving. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, 2.5 minutes of working out left. Grab that dumbbell. Give me those nice looking goblet squats. Down, 3/4, down, and that's 1. Down, 3/4, down, and 2. Down, 3/4, down, and 3. 3/4, down, and 4. Down, 3/4, down, and 5. All right, guys, here we go. 5 sit-ups, 5 push-ups. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Flip on over. And let's go for 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We got a minute and a half left. Not enough time to do one more round. I'll tell you what. Let's just finish off with about a minute and 15 seconds of jumping jacks. Keep jumping, keep moving. Keep it up, come on. Work with me. 1 minute left, keep it up. Good cardio today. Keep jumping, nice and soft on your feet, keep moving. This is kind of nice, I don't have to count. I can just talk to you. Keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. About 30 seconds left. Keep jumping, guys. Keep jumping. Work that hard. Keep moving. 20 seconds or so. All right, 10 seconds, double time. Ready? Let's go. Boom, boom. Knock it out. Knock it out. Come on. There we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and I'm calling it right there. That was 12 minutes of fun, guys. Thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50. My name is Paul. Workouts have been coming out for over 5 years right now. Never missed an upload Mondays and Thursdays. I'm consistent. I expect the same consistency from you. Thank you for joining me one more time. Hope you enjoyed this 12-minute AMRAP, and I'll see you guys during the next workout.